Hi, welcome back. One important update. So, this is known thing only. So, what I would like to say is currently my sales and distribution course it is crossed 103 plus hours, including my tips actually on SAP ECC or SD depth actually. So, if you really wanted to subscribe this course, I'm just providing a link. Okay. I would like to tell about I'm SD functional architect, real-time consultant. I'm having 4,300 and plus students currently now. So totally I'm having this is world update 18, 19 years of experience across uh, 10 to 11 projects. I have an experience including implementations and rollouts. You can see my profile. This is the course. You can keep this one as a backup, okay, on your mobile or laptop, wherever you'd like to open. So this price is 2,699, but actually this course will be available for 499 or 450 rupees. Okay, so when deals will happen, such a cases, so this all these courses available at low rate. If you really wanted to get update and master in pricing, you try this basic course. 1,000 plus students I have, and apart from that, SAP SD S4 HANA pricing concept. This also you can able to try. And this is very, very good course on S4 HANA screens. I have done it. If you already trained yourself, you have that confidence. Okay, you want a revision, then you can keep this course as a backup and getting master to write functional specification. This is important course. Okay, if you would like to perform in real time. Apart from that, I have one more particular course on idocs and transportation. These courses you can able to give a try. See, this course, it is in standard, plant abroad. If you have a European project, you can explain this so that you can impress interviewer. Okay, so it's easy as long as you know the things. If you don't know anything, everything is difficult. You can try this course, you will not be disappointed. Okay, so when I go back again, okay, let me try to open the course curriculum, what I am going to discuss here. So let's come here. So this course, currently I'm holding 700 and plus students, almost around 800. You can able to see this if you try to read the synopsis about this course. Okay, certain times I might you can able to see this is one part. You can able to see the different sections here. Okay, so if you wanted to the full-fledged course, see, you can able to see this almost 37 sections. Okay, more than 300 and plus lectures actually. Okay, so more than 300 and plus lectures. So you can able to see the good ratings. Maximum I will have a good ratings. So these people, okay, one or two people, don't worry about that. Most of the times I'm getting a very good ratings. You can go through it. You can try this course. Okay, it will back up for you. I wish you all the best for your job trials. Jai Hind. Okay, try to utilize this 100 and plus 3 hours as a backup and revision and serious preparation for your SD course. Thank you so much. Have a great day.